Oh, come on, not this again.
Aw. What?
Don't what me. You seriously need a new hobby. Buying Kate's favorite coffee and cheesecake just to stare at them? It's getting weird, bro.
I wasn't just staring.
Oh? So what were you doing? Telepathically sending them to her?
I just thought about leaving them at her door. But I don't want to overstep.
So, what's your grand plan? Just let them sit here until they go bad?
Actually, I was thinking maybe you could give them to her. Just say they're from you.
Are you serious?
Please, just one last time.
Last time? Eric, you said that 3 last times ago.
Come on, I just don't want to make her uncomfortable.
And you think lying about who got them makes her more comfortable?
It's just easier this way.
For who? You or her?
Both?
Ugh, Eric, I've already delivered stuff for you so many times. And you honestly think Kate doesn't know it's from you?
She doesn't, right?
Oh my God. You're clueless. Of course she knows. Who else would go out of their way to get her favorite cheesecake from across town?
I just want her to be happy.
Ugh, you're impossible. Seriously, what's your plan? Just watch her from a distance forever? What if she actually wants to talk to you?
Then, I guess I'll wait for her to say something first.
Eric, do you really think she's that fragile?
She told me she wanted to go back to being just neighbors. I must have made her feel trapped. Maybe keeping my distance is what she needs.
And what if she's waiting for you to say something first?
Then she'll let me know. I mean it, Lily. If she wants to talk, she will. Until then, I don't want to push her.
You've been stirring that coffee for 5 minutes. Planning to make a whirlpool?
Huh? Oh. I didn't even realize.
Okay, spill it. Something's on your mind. What's up?
It's nothing, really.
Uh-huh. And I'm a world-famous pop star. Try again.
Well, it's about Eric.
Oh, the We're Just Neighbors Eric?
You just had to say that, huh?
Well, am I wrong?
No. But that's the thing.
Go on.
I know Eric has been doing things for me.
Like what?
Like, my favorite cheesecake is always somehow reserved for me at the cafe. Or when I was sick, Lily kept dropping off food and little necessities at my door. I never asked, but I just knew it was him.
Wow. Mysterious. Do you think it's a ghost or just maybe Eric?
I know it's him. I just don't get it. He does all this. But whenever I see him, he literally runs away.
Maybe he thinks you don't want to see him.
But I never said that.
No, but you did say you just wanted to be neighbors again.
Do you think I hurt him when I said that?
What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, he also hurt me before.
And you're still hurt?
Sometimes.
Then maybe that's why he keeps running away.
Huh?
Maybe he thinks he's the last person you want to see. You know, sometimes the hardest thing isn't moving on. It's figuring out what you really want.
I don't know what I want.
We'll figure it out soon. Or Eric might actually disappear one day. Ugh, finally. I was just about to call you first.
Let me guess. You're also losing your mind over these two?
Losing my mind? I'm this close to banging my head against the wall.
Right? I mean, I get it. Things got messy. But seriously, how long are they gonna keep avoiding each other?
I know. Eric's practically running whenever Kate's around. And Kate's acting like she's totally fine while obviously not fine at all. It's painful to watch.
Exactly. It's like watching two clueless goldfish just swimming in circles, refusing to talk.
So what do we do? Because I swear, if they keep up this weird silent drama act, I'm gonna lose it.
Oh, don't worry. I've been thinking. And I might have a little plan.
Oh, do tell.
Not yet. You'll know soon enough. But let's just say, they won't be able to avoid each other much longer.
Oh, I like the sound of that.
Get ready. Because we're about to fix this ridiculous mess.
Hey, Sophie. What's up?
Eric, do you know where Kate is?
What? No. Why?
I was supposed to meet her at the mall tonight, but she never showed up. Her phone is off and I can't reach her at all.
What? That's not like her. Did she say where she was going earlier?
She was supposed to meet a client this afternoon.
A client? Who?
I don't know for sure, but I think it was that guy she really dislikes. You know, the one who...
Wait. The one who's always way too handsy with her.
Yeah. I don't want to assume anything, but I just feel uneasy.
Kate!
Whoa, where's the fire? What's with the panic?
Lily, have you seen Kate today?
Yeah. This morning before she left. Why?
Did she say where she was going?
I think she mentioned something about going to that big cafe near her office.
That's all I need to know.
Damn it, Kate, where are you? Why was her phone off? That's not like her. She always keeps it on, even when she's busy. And that client. If it's really that guy. No. No way. She wouldn't agree to meet him alone unless she had to. What if he's making her uncomfortable again? What if she needs me and I'm not there? No. I can't just sit around and do nothing. If she's in trouble, I have to be there.
Please, Kate. Just be safe. I'm coming.
Eric? What are you doing here? And why do you look like you just ran a marathon?
Are you okay? Did something happen?
What? I'm fine. Why would anything happen?
Your phone was off. I couldn't reach you.
Oh, that. Sophie told me to take a break, clear my mind. She said I should enjoy my own space, free from distractions. So, I turned my phone off.
She told you that? Right. I see. Okay, then. I won't bother you. I'll get going.
Eric. Do you want to sit with me for a bit? I don't remember the last time we sat like this.
Yeah, it's been a while.
You know, I noticed.
Noticed what?
The little things.
Oh,
The reserved cheesecake. The care packages when I was sick. You were looking out for me, weren't you?
I guess I just wanted to make sure you were okay.
Then why do you keep running away whenever you see me?
Because I was a jerk to you. I was bitter, and I took it out on you. I kept making snide comments, being sarcastic, and acting like I didn't care. But the truth is, I did.
Why?
Because I was jealous.
Jealous?
Yeah. I saw you getting along with other people. Your coworkers, clients. And I didn't know where I fit in your life anymore.
Eric.
Kate, I still like you. A lot. But I don't want to rush things. I don't want to pressure you. That's why I kept my distance.
So, you like me, huh?
Seriously? That's what you got from all that?
Well, you did say it.
Unbelievable.
But really, I did miss you.
You did?
Yeah. I mean, you were my best friend for years. And then suddenly, you weren't. And honestly, that hurt.
I never wanted to hurt you.
I know. I think we just got lost in all of it. So, about that cheesecake.
Oh? You're finally admitting that I know your taste better than you do?
Wow. Someone got cocky real fast.
All right. Let's go get your precious cheesecake.
And coffee. You owe me coffee too.
Huh? You really know how to take advantage of a guilty man, huh?
It's a skill.
Fine. Let's go. My very demanding friend.
I like the sound of that.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.